Alright, so we've been talking about shapes, like this one here. If this was flat, this would be called a square. It's got four sides that are all equal, and it's got four 90-degree right angle corners. But what about a 3D shape? This would be called a cube. A 3D shape is simply a three-dimensional figure. 3D shapes have faces, which are the sides, those flat sides. They have edges, which are the lines that are going to connect these sides. And they have vertices, which are the corners. So 2D shapes, we can measure them by length and width. But 3D shapes have length, width, and height because they're 3D. They've got some depth, right? So a face is basically any surface that's flat. You can think of the flat surface of a table or the flat surface of a door. An edge is basically that line that connects two faces together. And a vertex is a point or a corner of a shape. And this is where the faces and edges come together and meet. And that is what you call a vertex. Or plural would be vertices, so more than one vertex. So as you can see from this dice, this cube, it has 6 square faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, one on the top, one on the bottom, so 5, 6. 6 faces on our dice. Our dice also has 12 edges. You can count that by looking at it straight forward. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the back, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. And how many vertices does the dice have? Let's see. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 square faces.